They call me Lord Raven, and there's a mighty football player out there, and he's going down by the power of this mega big shock Nerf gun. He thinks he's gonna get me with this football, but he is wrong.
I'm Dr. Steve, and I'm the best football player of all time. Watch me hit this trick. Watch me hit this trick. Watch all day in the zoo. Over the house, onto the swing. Here we go.
I gotta find this football player. I don't know where he can be. Where is this guy? Where is this guy? This guy is way too hard to get. Hi, Sam. He missed me once. Now he's going down.
All I need is my football.
He's got the football. He's got the football. No.